Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. CEC to recommend total shutdown of mines in Goa for 2 years. Decision on regulated mining after 2 years. CEC to submit report by 28th November. Ajmal Kasab hanged to death on Wednesday in Yerwada jail. Action after rejection of mercy petition by the President of India. Government rejects Gargil Committee report on Western Ghats. CM says the report, if implemented, will disturb Goan economy. Goa in with a chance to clinch baseball double crown. State girls storm into tug-of-war finals at National School Games. And with an eye on National Games, Mandovi Athletic Club's Inter-District Athletics Championship set to boost youngsters. Now the news in detail. Central Empowered Committee would recommend a total shutdown of Goan mining for 2 years. Sources have confirmed that all the decisions on regulated and restricted mining will be considered only after 2 years. CEC is supposed to submit its report on 28th November to the Supreme Court. The hearing will possibly be held on 30th November. The CEC held meetings with central government officials, mine owners and state government officials on Wednesday.
CEC held 3 rounds of meetings in Delhi on Wednesday. The first meeting was held with the central government officials, later with the mine leases and at last with the state government officials. Sources say that none of these 3 stakeholders are happy with the outcome with their meeting with the CEC. The outcome of the meeting, CEC to follow similar pattern like Karnataka. CEC decides to review all the leases, resurvey of all mines to check alleged irregularities. Process would take nearly 1.5 years. Mining ban to continue for at least 2 years. CEC has asked Goa government to take corrective steps to regulate mining in the state. CEC instructions. CEC requests all parties to submit their inputs by Monday. Report to Supreme Court by 28th November. CEC comes down heavily on MOEF for their casual approach. CEC appreciates steps taken by Goa government to regulate mining. CEC asked Chief Secretary to submit report on steps taken by Goa government on mining. Asks Goa government to cooperate with their suggestions for early restart. Chief Secretary points out importance of restarting mining for Goa's financial stability. CEC refuses the argument, says proper steps are must. CEC received nearly 10,000 representations from various people demanding restart of mining. They went through all these representations and realized importance of mining in the state. Petitioner Claude Alvarez opined that mining should start in the state, but with proper rules and regulations. Chief Secretary, Mines Secretary and Director of Mines and Geology submitted the data on mining on behalf of Goa Mines Department. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Finally, LED terrorist and 26/11 attack convict Ajmal Kasab was hanged on Wednesday in a secret operation. Kasab was hanged in the high security at Yerwada jail in Pune at 7:30 in the morning. The lone surviving terrorist in the Mumbai attack of November 26, 2008 was shifted to the Yerwada jail following rejection of his mercy petition by President Pranab Mukherjee.
Kasab's end came just 5 days before the 4th anniversary of the brutal terror attacks that ended 166 lives and injured 300. It took the Maharashtra government less than 2 weeks to hang Kasab after President Pranab Mukherjee rejected his mercy petition on November 5th.
The file came from President of India on 5th 5th, I was not here. I was attending Interpol meeting in Rome. I arrived in Delhi on 7th afternoon and I saw the file was on my table. So I immediately signed, and on 8th we sent the entire thing to Maharashtra government to take action on 21st November at 7:30, and accordingly they acted.
We spoke with the Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Manish Tiwari, who is in the state for IFFI celebrations.
अगर भारत के ऊपर कोई आतंकी हमला होता है, अगर निर्दोष बेगुनाह नागरिक मारे जाते हैं, तो एक कानूनी प्रक्रिया के तहत, एक अदालती प्रक्रिया के तहत जो भी उचित कार्रवाई है, वो उचित कार्रवाई भारत करने के लिए तैयार है.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar says government acted late.
And Kasab took quite few years to be brought to justice. Now they should immediately hang Afzal Guru and complete the issue.
The entire process was executed very secretly. Sources say that Kasab has been buried in the same Yerwada jail in Pune amidst high security. Mumbai police had buried the other 9 terrorists in 26/11 attacks at a place in a similar secret operation. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has disapproved the Madhav Gadgil report on Western Ghats. Parrikar said government will not consider the report as it can disturb Goan economy. He said that necessary points will be considered and the rest will be ignored. Manohar Parrikar was speaking to Prudent on Wednesday.
गोवा सरकार आम्हाला असं वाटतं की आम्ही गोवा ग्रीन ठेवला पाहिजे, पण ग्रीन ठेवणं म्हणजे कंप्लीटली सगळ्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी बंद करणं असं नाही. त्यामुळे माधव गाडगीळचा जो रिपोर्ट आहे त्या रिपोर्टवर सरकार सध्या विचार करत आहे. एका विशिष्ट लिमिटपर्यंत हा रिपोर्ट सरकार मान्य करू शकेल, पण जर उद्या कोणी सांगितलं की तुम्ही पूर्ण गोवा ॲक्टिव्हिटीज बंद करा किंवा 10 किलोमीटरपर्यंत ॲक्टिव्हिटी बंद करा, ज्याच्यामध्ये गोव्याचं इकॉनॉमिक डेव्हलपमेंटच पूर्ण खुंटलं जाईल, मला वाटतं त्या संदर्भात सरकार डेफिनेटली तो रिपोर्ट ॲक्सेप्ट करणार नाही. पण काय रिपोर्ट पूर्णपणे रिजेक्टही नाही आणि पूर्णपणे ॲक्सेप्ट नाही अशी स्थिती गोवा सरकारची आहे. पण काही बाबतीत ॲक्सेप्ट करणार नाही, काही बाबतीत ॲक्सेप्ट करू.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.